Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be unboxing some glossy boxes with you guys. More specifically, the Mother's Day glossy boxes for 2021. I'm going to show you all of the products that are coming in both of these. They are limited edition, and I will have my little special offer for you guys down in the description box if you guys are wanting to purchase this for a special someone. So they do these every year, and I'm so excited that I am able to share this with you on my channel this year. They did send these to me, and I appreciate them so much. So they do come in two different box styles. So if you guys are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. Just hit the little button down below. It's completely free and it will melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna open up the pink one first because I love the color pink. So naturally I want to open this one. This is what it looks like on the inside. As always, we have a little booklet, a beautiful ribbon that we open up, and we'll reveal the book and the contents and the prices. And something in this box smells really good too. Ooh, okay, so we're getting some really good products in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this first little product. So this is a travel size little perfume. This is from Angel Bugler Eau de Parfum. This is Angel, and this has a worth of $4, full size 120. And let me just smell what this smells like. I actually have tons of these little guys because I love having little minis. And it actually smells really good. Oh yeah, that smells pretty good, so that's exciting to have. The next item in here is a big one. This is from Bumble and Bumble. This is a full-size product, and this costs you $29, and it's a surf styling leave-in, I guess, cream. So it says, make waves wherever you go with this UV protective gel cream. This multitasker conditions, detangles, and fights frizz while adding light hold and flexibility to your hair so you can style and restyle all day. You'll have that soft, beachy, chic look without the sand. If this is going to detangle, I need this so bad. My hair is just not doing the best right now. Next up, we have something really exciting. So this is from the brand Velvet Eyewear, and these are sunglasses, you guys. So these cost $55, and they are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are like really cute. Okay, let me take this little tag off. How cute are these sunglasses, you guys? These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I wish I didn't have lashes on right now so I can actually blink my eyes, but these are cute. And they look cute on my face. I'm really excited. Okay. This makes the whole box worth it. Like, when do you ever get sunglasses in a subscription box? Like, never, ever do you. I'm very excited about those. And then I like the little bag it comes in too. That's pretty cute. Cute. Next up, we have something from Snow Fox Skincare. This is the Herbal Youth Oil. I feel like I just got this. Or maybe I didn't. I don't know. There's something about this that sounds so familiar. Maybe I got this brand already before. So this has an $82 value. That's a lot. It says fortified with artragulose root extract and Brazilian. Oh, there's so many big words. It's known as Nature's Botox, and I think that's all you need to know with the description. Nature's Botox. I like Botox, okay? I don't have it, but you know, I would like to have some someday. Anyways, we have something from the brand Foy, and this is the Deluxe Mini, which this is worth $8. Cbd Relief Cream. Taking care of your body makes a huge difference to your whole beauty routine. This natural hemp lotion with organic essential oils provides soothing relief to muscle pain, joint stiffness, and nerve pain so you can quickly get back to doing the things you love. I think I need to give this to my sister because she's had sciatic nerve problems for the past couple weeks, so I should let her try that. And then we have another little sample here. This is not on my card sheet, so this must be a little, oh no, it's on the back. This is from Bioderma. It's a deluxe mini worth $12.50. It says, target excess shine and gently mattify your skin for a full 8 hours with this lightweight moisturizer. It reduces the appearance of imperfections by tightening pores and preventing them from getting clogged, smoothing out the skin's surface and texture. That's great to have. All these are really great items geared towards Mother's Day, basically. You know, Botox, we have, you know, mattifying face, we got detangler things, sunglasses. So far, so good. Now we have from Authentic Beauty Concept a replenish mask for damaged hair. My hair is so damaged and it smells like heaven. So this is another product I think is really, really great. And then we have from Cab Cosmetics a matte liquid lipstick, which we've been seeing a lot from this brand. Oh, I didn't tell you the price of this. This is a travel size worth $10. And then this here is full size worth $18. And this is a red velvet lip, which what mother doesn't like a red lip? Every mother loves a red lip. I love a red lip. I just, you know, depending on the occasion. So that's everything coming in this pink box here. Now I'm excited to see what's coming in the blue box. Wow. Okay. This one's a lot heavier too, by the way. Okay. Blue box time. We got our little book here. Oh, wait. Are these just different designs? Oh, well, never mind. Oh, I think you're supposed to I think I was supposed to give this to somebody. Oh, I'll give this to my mother. Perfect. Okay, so everything in here is the exact same that I already opened up. So I'm actually going to gift this to my mother because I think she's going to love it, especially the sunglasses. So I'm very, very excited about that. So unfortunately, they were apparently the same exact weight, though this one felt a lot heavier. I don't know. So I'm going to gift this to my mother, actually. So I'm not going to open anything up. I'm going to gift it to my mom, and I know she's going to be really, really excited. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about this box. Do you like everything that came in here? Are you interested in it? If you are, hit the link below. Go purchase one for a loved one. They're gonna love it. And yeah, thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.